Hello. Welcome back to my channel, One Day One Tutorial. Do you want to make your photo talking like this?
Or maybe you're painting to talk like this. Ha 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 ha. You can also make her laugh.
You don't need to install apps to do this. Just photo, browser, and internet. Are you ready? Check this out.
First of all, open your browser and type studio.d-id.com. Don't worry, I put the link in the description of this video. On the top right corner, click Generate Video. And sign up using your Gmail account. Since the site is not for mobile, you can use desktop view. Click the three dots on the top right corner. Scroll and click Desktop View. Now, click Create Video. And upload your photo. Now, you can write the script what your photo have to pronounce. The lips will be moving following this script. And you can pick the languages. And the types of voice, whether female or male.
Hello. So this is how to make a photo talking.
Hello. So this is how to make a photo talking. Hello. So this is how to make a photo talking.
Hello. So this is how to make a photo talking.
If you think everything is perfect, click Generate Video. And click Download to save on your gallery.
Hello. So this is how to make a photo talking.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. One Day One Tutorial. See you. I love you.